Hi everyone, this is Joe Hall with Who'sTalking.com, and this is our second video demonstration. And today we're going to be talking about product and brand research on the Who's Talking platform. I thought it would be cool if we picked a product that is kind of hot right now. So I thought we would research the Acer Aspire 1, which is the cross between kind of like a laptop and a PDA. But it's a really hot item right now. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the product name right out of a CNET article. And let's X out of this. I'm going to go ahead and paste the name into the Who's Talking search box. One thing before we start, I just want to point out that this is the product name. However, we do have two brand names within it. So what we're going to be doing right now is we'll be actually doing research on both the product and the brand at the same time, which will give us a real specific idea of what the public's view and what they're talking about in the social web. I'm going to go ahead and click search. Okay, well the search results have just loaded, and as you can see, we have 363 results. This is a new feature with Who's Talking. We now show the number of results present in the initial search results. So this will give you an idea from the very beginning of how much dialogue is going on within the world of social media. Um, and it will kind of help you gauge a little bit more further on down with your research whether or not you need to use our expanded search options. Just like in the last demo video, we've got our results here in blue, and just like before, to look at a result, all you have to do is just put your mouse over the title and click, and the result opens up in a separate window. Now, of course, this result is from Twitter, and it's this user says that he is testing out the Acer Aspire 1. So as you can see, this really gives you the ability to connect and to identify the users in social media that are talking about your brand and products. Now, of course, we can expand this search by using our expanded search options into the left. Under the blogs tab, we've just added 4 new blog services today. MySpace blogs, Plazoo, IndianPad, and Identica have just been added today, and with each one of these search options, you can expand this search into that individual service. So to demonstrate, I'm going to go ahead and click MySpace blogs, and it pulls up a result directly from the MySpace blogs platform. This one looks like it's a user on MySpace writing about in their blog about how they got a new Acer Aspire laptop. And so this really allows us to connect with the users that are invigorated by the products in order, enough that they would write about it. So these are the type of people that you really want to reach out to. Another brand new feature that we added today is the Networks tab. The Networks tab opens up expanded search options for social networking websites. We've got Bebo, Facebook, Friendster, Hi5, Last.fm, Lincoln, MySpace, Netlog, Ning, and Zynga. So let's go ahead and expand this search option into, say, like Facebook, for example. Okay, we've just pulled up the search results from Facebook for our search query, and as you can see, the first result is the Acer Aspire 1 Facebook profile page, which is incredibly fitting for the search query we just did. However, if we were to scroll down, we can see actual Facebook users talking about the product. This user looks like they need help with a Linux installation. This one is having problems with a Wi-Fi card. But this is really giving the user the ability to connect directly with the users of a product or brand by using all of these different social networking search options to really drill down to the users that are talking about the products. Um, so this is a really powerful tool when we're doing research on products and brands. Anyways, that is it for tonight's demonstration. My name is Joe Hall, and I urge you to stay tuned in the future as we do more videos about the Who's Talking platform. Thanks a lot, and have a good day.